Guys, this one is the
Oh my god.
last 4 day of Form 6, so enjoy.
好想同你哋影相。OK， 好，再嚟一次，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3。
我就喺香港出世啦，但係我阿爸媽都係泰國人嘅。一出世咧，我就翻咗泰國，讀到小3再翻嚟香港，跟住就讀到而家中6咯。我入嚟嗰陣時咧就中3啦，跟住我就見到佢啦，同埋另外一個朋友啦。第一日見面就你係咪泰國人啊？你好特別咯，因為又見翻個同鄉即係你中文學校咧，你唔會見到好多外國人㗎。
The hardest part when I first come to Hong Kong is that I feel lonely and I'm not brave enough to communicate or talk with them. But what I do is I try to be brave and talk to them in English and Chinese. And I think friends helped a lot. They also teach me what is friendship also.
今年就係最後一年嘅陸運會啦，個感覺就比較即係懷念。我出去可能冇得再咁樣同大家見面咁樣咯。我就想同你哋講，係咯，想講多謝咯，即係嚟咗唔同嘅國家嘅朋友啦，大家都會有分享啦，佢哋個文化好好咯。
Thank you for the good friendship. Since we are young and now we have grown up. Many of my friends, like their mindset have changed. Most of them are more mature now. They really treasure this moment together.
女子團，有興趣啊！